Tired of that boring, default email Signup form on your Shopify store that nobody seems to notice? Let's transform that. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard on the left sidebar. Click on Online Store, then select Themes. Find the theme you want to customize and click the Customize button. This will open the theme editor. Scroll to the very bottom of your website preview until you reach the footer, or go to the header if you want to add an email Signup section there. Click Add Section. This will open a menu with section options. From the list of available sections, select Email Signup. This will automatically add a basic email Signup section to your chosen location on the page. Now, for the fun part, customization. In the left-hand sidebar, you'll see the settings for your new email Signup section here. You can change the headline to something more catchy, like Get Exclusive Offers. Add a compelling subheading that explains the benefits of subscribing. You can also adjust the background color to match your brand. Look for options to customize the button text and color. Make sure the button stands out and encourages visitors to click. For instance, change it from subscribe to join the VIP list. To really integrate the Signup form, check out your theme's overall color settings. You might find global settings for things like button colors and text styles that will apply to your email Signup section as well. Once you're happy with how your email Signup section looks, be sure to click the Save button in the top right corner. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized an email Signup section to your Shopify store. Now, you can start growing your email list and connecting with potential customers.